Hello everyone. We bought this travel trailer this spring. Uh, Only half years later, we found out some problem here about the fresh water tank. The tank is underneath the trailer here. From the bottom, we can see this is the water tank, about 5-inch deep, 3 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 4 feet long. So that's holding the about 90 liter of fresh water. But only half years later, the plastic tank sagging down about 3-inch deep from here, from the middle. So that way the water sitting there is dead water. It won't come out, cannot be used anymore. So we found out this problem. So we made this support from bottom of the water tank. So we use the frame. We use this one, 1/2 inch, 3 feet long, 1/2 inch square tube as a support from that end to this end, and connect to the top of the frame. This is a support for the water tank, plastic water tank, but this only holding on the top edge, so the bottom has no holding. That way the plastic sagging down from the middle. That way cause trouble. So we use 2 frames about 20 inch apart from here to there. This way support the bottom of the water tank, solve the problem. Also put a ridged plywood or board underneath the water tank as a support, so make it more flat. This way we can travel with the water and no sagging down. Thank you for watching.